Hello. So today I got to know about an interesting feature in Excel, and I think many of you will also be surprised to listen this. So let's see. So now see as I type. Suppose I type in this way. So you would see that when I type two consecutive capital letters, this has changed the first. Only the first letter is kept capital. Otherwise, the letter has changed, right? So how is this happening? So this is because of an interesting feature in Excel, that is autocorrect feature. Also you would see that if I type wrong spelling, suppose I type RONGE, this is not there, right. So you see, when I type right, I just by mistake wrote ET instead of TE in the spelling of right. So it automatically changed, right? Suppose I type easy, it is not there. So like this, there are different words in Excel, which are fed as autocorrect words, which automatically change when we type them wrong, right? As we saw in the example of right, RIET, right? It changes to RITE. So this is because of an autocorrect feature. So let's see how we can also use that. Now I have set an shortcut to a word. Say I write MJP. So you would see that it is actually typing my full name when I just typed MJP, and it automatically typed my full name. So this is by using a shortcut or an autocorrect feature only. So let's see how we can make it. So we will go to Files tab here. Here we will go to this More option and going to Options. Right now, here in this area, we have an option called Proofing. Here we will select Autocorrect options. So as I click on Autocorrect options, there are various autocorrect options that are already working. No, now here, suppose you are working on some data and you need to repeatedly, suppose manually enter some data which is like long in text. I here take an example of a company which we call as RIL, and we want to replace it with Reliance Industries, Industries Limited, right? Now I want to use this. So I will click on, after typing these, replace this text with this given text. I will click on add and I will click OK and OK again. So now whenever I will type RIL, it will automatically replace the text to Reliance Industries Limited. Similarly, we can add multiple words which we are using regularly, so that we don't need to type them again and again. By simply typing a short keyword or a shortcut, we can uh, make the whole word work, right? So this can actually save a lot of time to us. So I hope this was useful to you. There are similarly different words available which are auto corrected. We can just check them by going to the same option. So as you will see, the two initial letter capitals, this is also the feature that was working when I typed two consecutive letters capital and other words as small. So this was working. Right. So now as you see, there are different options. Like if I type round bracket C and close bracket, it will automatically replace to this C symbol over here. If I type E in round brackets, it will replace to euro, and so on. Various shortcuts are there for replacing symbols. Again, like if I type CHEKC, then it will replace it with correct spelling of check, right? So like these different words are there which are already placed in this in this feature, which helps us many times, right? So that we don't do mistakes in writing spellings. So similarly, we can use this to make our things easy, like creating shortcuts as I made just now. So I hope you were able to learn this, and thank you for watching.